Velvra claims that their 30-day parasite cleanse can flush out hidden parasites and toxins from your child's gut, so they can feel energetic, sleep better, have a healthier appetite, clearer skin, and an overall improvement in mood. It definitely sounds appealing, especially to parents looking for natural ways to support their child's health. But when a product makes big emotional promises like this, it's always important to slow down and look at the facts behind the website. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, when we look closely at the Velvra website, the first thing that stands out is the domain information. The domain is set to expire on November 22, 2025, which means there are only a few days left before this website disappears from the internet, unless the owners renew it at the last moment. For a brand selling health supplements aimed at children, you would expect long-term stability, not a website that might vanish soon. Another thing you'll notice is the type of marketing tactics they use. The site shows countdown timers, limited time offers, and pressure-based messaging to push buyers into making quick decisions. These are very common tactics used by websites that rely more on urgency than transparency. Then there's the biggest concern of all. The website openly states that the product has not been evaluated by the FDA and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. While this is a legally required disclaimer for supplements, it's worrying because the website markets the cleanse as something that can drastically improve children's health, sleep, energy, appetite, and skin. When we check for contact information, things get even more concerning. There's no phone number, no physical address, and no clear way to reach an actual person. They only show generic emails or simple contact forms. With no proper contact details, buying anything from such a website becomes extremely risky because you have no way to resolve issues if something goes wrong. The website reviews look glowing and perfect, but when we step outside their website and look at real consumer platforms like Trustpilot, the story changes completely. There are only 19 reviews, and they're very mixed. Some people praised the customer service, saying the support team was responsive, but others had very serious issues. One parent said their child screamed when taking the first dose because it tasted overwhelming and caused numbness, and when the parent tried taking it themselves, they experienced rectal bleeding and had to see a healthcare provider. Others complained about shipping nightmares, products getting returned by customs, refused refunds, confusing explanations about wrong addresses, and packages being lost multiple times. There were also reviews saying the product tasted horrible, kids refused to take it, and some parents saw no improvement at all. One user said the product never arrived even after 4 weeks, and support stopped responding. These types of issues, health concerns, shipping problems, lack of refunds, lack of results, and poor communication, are strong signs of a company that might not be as reliable as the website makes it appear. Another major red flag is the lack of social media presence. In today's world, genuine and established brands actively use social media to connect with customers, share updates, and show transparency. Velvra has no active social media presence at all, which is unusual for a company selling high-priced supplements, especially ones aimed at children. So overall, while the Velvra Cleanse Kit promises big improvements and presents itself very professionally on the website, the behind-the-scenes information raises several concerns. Expiring domain, pressure-based marketing, lack of contact details, FDA disclaimers, mixed trust reviews, shipping problems, and no social presence all make this product and website questionable. If you're considering any supplement, especially for children, always talk to a healthcare professional first and stick to brands with proven transparency and real customer support.